everyone, this is me Sonic, my friend of you. It's my pleasure to be here. First of all, I would like to greet you. A special thanks Mr. Chandan sir who has given me this golden chance to speak over here. Without having any promoting, I would like to cover my topic and my topic is nature. बनाया कुदरत ने संभाला इंसानों ने जब सफेद चादर से लेटी धरती नीले आसमान से मिलती है तब ये दुनिया जन्नत सी लगती है. Nature is beautiful creation by God. It is the previous gift to all of us living on earth. It was high beauty to our environment without a magic gift of humans like us and meaningless. There is no substitute of nature. All made and all nature objects useful to mankind. In old day people worship nature. Nature should be worshipped, protect and preserved so that to live and nature is fair. Nature is our best friend which could